What is going on, guys? Welcome to your 35th Python tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to overwrite variables on a subclass. Now, in the last tutorial I told you guys how to make subclasses and superclasses, also called parent and child classes, but I showed you guys what to do if you wanted a child class to inherit all the traits of the parent class. But what if you wanted it to only inherit some of the traits? Well, here's what you do. First, we need a class, and let's call it parent. And in this, let's just have a couple variables. Let's put var1 equals bacon, and var2, which stands for variable 2 in case you guys can figure that out, stands for sausage. Ooh, not bad. Next, let's go ahead and make another child class. Now, what we want this child class to do is take some of the variables in parent, but also overwrite some of them. So we need a class called child, and we need it to inherit the traits of parent. Now we want to keep variable 1 the same, so we leave that as bacon. But for variable 2, we want to put var2 equals toast. So what we have done is overwritten variable 2 in child, where in child class variable 1 equals bacon, but instead of variable 2 equaling sausages, it equals toast instead. So let me prove this to you guys. So let's go pob for parent object and have this equal to parent, and let's go put cob for child object and make this equal to child class. Now let's access some variables. With pob, which is parent object, let's go ahead and put var1, which is bacon as expected. Now let's go ahead and access variable 2, which should be sausage. Now in child, which is what I put for that, cob, var1, as you can see, we changed to bacon, and var2, actually we didn't change it, that's the one it inherited, but var2 we should have overwritten sausage and got toast. So let's see, cob.var2 equals toast. So this is how you can inherit the traits from a parent but overwrite some of the variables. And this is good if you have one huge class where you want to use this big template, but you only want to change a few things in it. You can overwrite a few variables but keep the rest of the variables or methods or whatever may be in that class. So that's your quick tutorial on how to overwrite variables in a subclass, while keeping all the other traits of the parent class. And again, I use child and parent and sub and super kind of alongside each other. But that's your quick tutorial on how to do that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a little something. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.